In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Perplexity API credentials in n8n. Before we jump in, here's the quick why. Credentials in n8n are the secure bridge between your workflows and external services. Setting them up once means you can safely reuse them across multiple nodes without pasting sensitive keys into every workflow. Now, let's get this configured. With n8n open, look to the left-hand pane and click Personal. This is the area where your user-specific settings live. Inside Personal, switch to the Credentials tab. This tab is your central place to add, view, and manage the connections your workflows will rely on. At the top right, click Create Credentials. This opens the credential setup dialog where you choose the service you want to connect. In the search bar, type Perplexity API and select it from the list. Choosing it here tells n8n which authentication fields to display and how to store them. You'll see a form tailored for Perplexity, keeping everything organized and consistent with how n8n expects to talk to that service. Next, enter the credentials for your Perplexity account. Typically, that means pasting your API key from your Perplexity dashboard into the appropriate field. Give the credential a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, especially if you create multiple keys for different environments like testing and production. Be careful to paste the key exactly as provided, with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Keep this information private and never share it in screenshots or with anyone you don't trust. When everything looks good, click Save. That's the essential setup done. Now that the credential exists, you can use Perplexity nodes in your workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a node that integrates with Perplexity, and in the node's authentication or credentials dropdown, choose the new credential you just saved. This tells the node to use that secure connection whenever it runs. The nice part is you set it once here, and you can reuse the same credential across multiple nodes and workflows without re-entering anything. If you ever update or rotate your API key on the Perplexity side, return to the same credential in the Credentials tab, edit the value, and save again. Your workflows will continue working with the updated key as long as you keep the credential name the same. And that's all there is to it. Go to Personal, open Credentials, create Credentials, search and select Perplexity API, enter the details, save, and then pick that credential in your workflow nodes. You're ready to build with confidence.